Day 1 marked the official start of SEED Inclusivity Cohort 2, the next chapter in our mission to build a more inclusive entrepreneurial ecosystem across Asia. The day opened with a welcome from the Seed Stars and Visa Foundation team, setting the tone for what the week was all about. After the success of our first cohort in Bengaluru, this time we brought together founders, mentors, and partners here in Jakarta, ready to collaborate and learn from each other. Our keynote speaker, Monica Oudang at GoTo Group, spoke about building inclusive workspaces and the power of leading with empathy. We also heard from investor Massimiliano, who shared practical advice on fundraising for early-stage ventures in emerging markets, and from Seed Stars' global team, who introduced the SMART methodology and the Sigma AI platform, tools to help founders make data-driven decisions. The day ended with interactive sessions on fundraising strategy, PR and storytelling, and open networking with peers and partners like Inseller and Control. From introductions to insights, Day 1 was about alignment, uniting entrepreneurs under one shared vision of inclusive innovation.